A black hole is a place in space where gravity is so strong that not even light can escape. And NASA's missions, TESS and SWIFT, and a ground-based observatory called ASSASSIN, actually saw a black hole affecting a nearby star. It ripped a star to shreds, and we were able to measure that in this latest discovery. A black hole essentially is so massive, it has such a strong gravitational pull that when a nearby star passes by it, it can literally get ripped to shreds. So the star is getting tugged and pulled in different directions so that eventually it'll break up and form this energetic event that we can measure. The NASA TESS mission happened to be looking at the right place at the right time to observe the very beginning of this event, making it very unique so that we could learn more about the physics. And then the SWIFT satellite was triggered after ground-based observatories, including the survey called ASSASSIN, was able to identify this brightening from this catastrophic event happening. And so all the missions basically work together in order to observe the event at different wavelengths of light and in order to measure the event essentially from beginning to end. We were able to uniquely learn about the physics that takes place at the very beginning of such an event when a black hole starts the process of shredding a star. And that was revealed by the TESS mission. And the SWIFT satellite also uniquely measured a really steep change in temperature during the event. The black hole is 375 million light years away, so it's quite far away. It's outside the galaxy, but within our own galaxy, we do have a black hole. However, that's still over 26,000 light years away. So it's far enough away that we don't need to worry about any impacts to our solar system. Indeed, black holes are in fact black and they trap all the light. However, we can see the effects of objects that are orbiting around black holes. As we saw with the star getting ripped to shreds, we can see the energetic events that come along with that, changes in brightness around the black hole, for example, and we can also see in general, what we call these accretion processes as material or debris orbits around a black hole. They are definitely far away, but they are important to the life cycle of the universe. Every time a star gets destroyed or around a black hole, as we've seen here, all that material gets spread around a galaxy, and essentially galaxies and stars recycle material, and so eventually new stars form from this old, shredded material. And so black holes are important to the life cycle of everything in our universe. People can learn more by going to social media and going to the @NASAUniverse Twitter handle, and also looking at the hashtag Black Hole Week. This is a special week actually where NASA is essentially having this entire event to promote black holes and educate the public about them and share the science behind them and how NASA missions can study them.